And we've been in myEcon for a total of about 3 months right now. And between my wife and I, we were able to generate over almost $250,000 in commissions already. Super excited about this company because, guys, I'm telling you, the products are made to help everyone in America. You know, it helps you improve your credit, it helps your finances, guys, and you need this. As much as some people don't want to admit it, they need financial education. They need this to change their lives. They need this for their children. They need this to get better homes, anything in life. This product, myEcon, is the best business for you. Not only are you able to generate a huge income from home, but you're also able to use the products to change your life. Everyday people, everyone needs this. I promise you, it's the best company out there right now.
Yes, absolutely, guys. We're so excited to be a part of this awesome company. I mean, everybody needs to know how to manage their money. It doesn't matter how much money you have. It's about how much money you're going to save and invest so that it could, you know, help you later on in the future for your kids and your future generations to pass down. So it's just more than making money with myEcon here. We only been a part of this company for about 3 months, and we made over $200,000, okay? And it's all, the way the company is structured, when you really build a team, you're gonna see it will take you to the next level. And, you know, it helps your team to get financially educated, and they use, like, to build their credit and overall build their credit to own property, guys. You know, you have to have good credit to get property and the things you want in life. So I'm so excited to be a part of this company, guys. It's a blessing.
All I'm gonna say is this: anyone can show you how to make money, but this company will show you how to keep it.
Yes.